Hi guys, let us discuss about one of the important tests from your chapter number 2, grade 10, that is acid, bases and salts. Here we have the test name POP test. What is meant by POP test? Let us study with a wonderful, exciting experiment. Are you ready to watch this wonderful experiment, my dear student? Yes, let us start. Let me take one test tube stand. Then there is a boiling tube. Yes, there is a boiling tube. And here we have some soap solution also. Yes, let us start the experiment. What is this reaction? Can you able to read this one? What is that? It is a reaction between sulfuric acid, dilute sulfuric acid. What is sulfuric acid? H2SO4 is going to react with which granule? Zinc granule. So let me take some zinc granule first of all. Yes, here we have the zinc granules. Yes, it's ready. To which let me add some dilute sulfuric acid. Yes, dilute sulfuric acid is ready. Do you think what can happen in this reaction, or any gases can form? Any precipitate can form? What can happen in this reaction? What do you think about this reaction, my dear student? You know, zinc is a metal and H2SO4 is a acid. What happens when metal react with an acid? That I want to show by this reaction, and the test name is called POP test. Don't forget about that. Okay, so zinc granule when react with the dilute sulfuric acid, see, you can able to see that some gases are start to generate. Hope you can able to see some gases are start to generate, and these gases are passing through this delivery tube. Hope you can able to see the hydrogen gases are here, and it is enter into the soap solution. So what happened? Some bubbles get generated, right? That bubble contain which gas? That's my question. What is this gas when a metal react with an acid? Can you guess it? Is it hydrogen? Is it carbon dioxide? Is it oxygen? Yes, here we have the solution, dear all. That is called POP test, and the produced gas is hydrogen. H2 gas is produced. So what is the conclusion? When a metal react with an acid, you will get hydrogen gas. And let me show you how can we prove that whether the produced gas is hydrogen. Are you ready? Let us do the experiment. Ready? 1, 2, 3, boom. You can able to see that some bubbles generated, right? So these soap bubbles which contain the gas, hydrogen gas. And please listen, all of you, just 1 second, please listen. Can you able to see some pop sound? Yes, this pop sound which indicate the presence of hydrogen gas. So what is the conclusion overall? When a metal react with any acid, you will get salt plus hydrogen gas. This hydrogen gas presence you can identify by the POP test.